Yes, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening this evening, and good evening once again. Today is another grateful opportunity day, the day we normally use to deliver our subjects, as we all know before now. Once again, good evening to you all, and remember, today still remains 6th of July 2021, and also this message is delivering right direct today, and today is a football match of Avellino. I give them kudos, and I'll be saying I know I just try to delay a little due to one or two reasons for other people to follow us up due to the match and all. And I appreciate you sincerely. The first person I have on my program here today is Osamoye Olotu. I appreciate you for being on this program with me today. And today, the subject we have on ground is what we are still going to talk about today, which today's subject is still single mother. Understand? I'm still going to talk about single mother today due to one or two reasons. And before now, we all know that we have explained before that we always value all comments and we make good use of all comments. We're supposed to teach another subject today, but due to the comment, and we want to make sure we follow the normal protocol so that we will know how to balance the equation. And never mind, before now, we're supposed to give entertainment, and we are still going to give entertainment even if it's not going to be that too long due to the normal procedure. For this reason, follow us up as we go on the entertainment. Now what you just something me I take look am very well. Now bullet, red whether na Red Bull, how they call am. So this kind of drink I can take. Understand? Red Bull. So it's not an alcohol drink. So this kind of drink I can take. So thanks very much for that. I have to let you all know. So that make una not come say you don't drink, you talk many things you're not supposed to talk. Because I understand you want people to become things like this. So, as the entertainment is going on, please don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Filme Ebo Edit TV. As we all know before now, also join us to share this video for other people to also watch and follow us up on this video. Invite more people for this video, please. And it's very important. And remember, the program still remains relationships to marriage matters, based on relationship, marriage and matters. Understand? These are other things that follows up. And also don't forget that the first Facebook page still remains. Nothing without solution, because there is nothing without solution. Also the second Facebook page still remains. How faithful are you? Let us be truthful. This program is based on truthfulness and balancedness of everything. Understand? But I want to plead you all, in case you come across this video and you see that you are not okay with this video and you are not satisfied, please make a good rapport and a good conversation. You can still contact and let us know that this is the reason why you don't like this video. It's not better for you to do that than begin to describe us in the wrong way, which is not supposed to be. All we are trying to do here is to encourage one another to make things work perfect for us, not to give different characteristics of things that is not supposed to balance in this kind of arena. Thank you very much for understanding this, and I appreciate you sincerely, and I appreciate you for it and for it. And as I've earlier said before now, you also know you have your music, your language music, your black music, and you want us to also make use of it in this program. You are free to also send it to us too, and we also cross-check to know if we have to position it to understand. Now if you can see the music we are playing now is Benin music. It's always like this. So please, let's see how we do it together and move to the higher level. Thanks very much for understanding this. appreciate you for your like and all. Please just join me to share. Help me share, help me share. Due to the time don't go, I don't fit invite 1 or 2 people again to join, but at least many people already know before now say today na the normal protocol day of the program. And I know say many will still dey watch the Italian football match by now, but still on still. Football match non stop make we not deliver the truth when we still help us for the future. Thanks very much for understanding this. Oh yes, as we all know before now, we just dey try rush everything back so that everything go waka fast. You understand? So na all those things we just wan try do today to make sure say at the end everything go well. We no wan leave anything outside and we wan make sure say we move straightly. But the fact is, as we don first explain before now, we respect any comment. If not, if you cross check the last video when I make my comments, my speech, I let we understand say man, if we dey come up again, we may not come up with this program. You understand that we have other programs to quickly deliver, but due to 1 or 2 things and due to the comments wey we come across, so due to we also respect any comment, so far so good. That is the reason why we decide to say make we bring am in like this today. Understand? Nevertheless, and I still like all of una when una fit still understand. Even as una dey watch the football dey go, after the football you will still come across the video, also watch the video and also share. Thanks very much for doing that for me, and I appreciate you. Yes, remember, as we all know before now, time wasted is money wasted. For this reason, we don't want to waste our time. We want to follow the normal protocol so that at the end we will have a good rapport for when all flagger and filetable. For this reason, this program based on the subject of today said single mother. And now we want to go deeply and deeply and deeply to these issues to really know and how to begin to work on it. As I explained before now, I don't let una know say single mother issue don become occupation for countryside. When I mean countryside, we all know why I use the word countryside. Understand? I don't want to say for Europe, for this side, for this side. I just only base the word countryside. You understand? So, and now this thing don become something when many people they enter every blessed day. Every blessed day. Now, one of our brother wey throw the comment, wey draw the attention of saying make we come back to this single mother today, according to him too. And I believe say maybe later on he go join us or he go dey watch by now. The real fact is he bring some points come out and we cross check this point. Na real facts. Many no one dey under people think today. That is the reason why they remain single mother. Understand? Many no one dey under person. That is why they remain single mother. But now different things still evolve when somebody no one dey under person and when somebody dey single mother. I go bring out the strategies and the characteristics wey guide the both side. When somebody no one dey under person, that automatically maybe, for instance, the person never born and he no one dey under person. Such person not be single mother. You understand? Na single girl. He no one born and he no one dey under person. No be single mother, na single girl. Such people, na so e be. Na that one na be the characteristics of those directions. Now, paraventure, let's come in the other formula. Some when they're born and at the end they no dey husband house. No be say many no wan still dey husband house o. Maybe 1 or 2 reasons when still lead to katakata when commotion come evolve, come make them begin share garri. Understand? When some just take am as priority because na business una dey use am take know, they believe on the money wey they want to receive as a single mother. Because of that one, na they even dey call police for their husband for the countryside. So things like this they come up. And another thing constantly come into this occasion wey we wan still try make us understand. If you be man and you be that kind of man, fine. Someday, according to the way we be before now, say if you no still beat woman sometimes, you no go wan get sense know the reason why you dey beat am. But for me, I look and say e dey somehow to pass the message to every one of us today. Raise your hand, take dey beat woman no be the best thing to take treat woman. You understand? There are many ways to take treat woman, not be by raising your hand to beat woman. I remember in military, I cross-check to see say man, there are many things wey be punishment when they no go even touch you, but you go just see am say man na punishment. In you go feel am. You understand? You fit mess up. When you mess up, they will direct you to guard room. You go remain for guard room. Fine, that one still dey more sweet and simple small. I'll call and say it's sweet and simple small. I'll tell una the reason why I say dey more sweet and simple small. Now, who dey guard room still know how e dey feel, but you know fit feel like somebody wey dey carry sit down for inside field for 24 hours. You understand? If you sit down for field for 24 hours, you go know say na one kind yeye stupid punishment for army. You understand? So I just try bring those things out. Why I bring that word come out? To let us know, no be by beat woman go make am feel some certain areas. There are some areas where be say man, there are other things wey you need to do. If you wan know all those kind of directions, the contact number is there. We will still give you the guideline. But we no use am mean say you go use am spoil your home, because we want all homes to be built. You understand? When you dey beat woman, that one another thing. You dey beat woman, at the end you dey press im neck, dey make sure. I no support men to do those things. Make we go straight to the truth, because many single mother today don complain about this one, say how man wey dey born for go dey press their neck for inside house. He wan kill them. So those things na lead them to say before this man go come kill them, they need to call police. But you see, na very bad thing. For you to dey beat your wife, you go dey press im neck. For what? God forbid say he really just cease breathe and he give up. We go come say na devil work. Devil no do anything. Even devil himself don't even dey feel pain for many things wey he no know one, no two of. You understand? For wetin he no know one, no two of, they don use am dey rob am sincerely, and e no good. So these are the characteristics wey we dey bring come out today for this episode 3 of this single mother. You understand? So, and another thing we want to try let our people understand. Single mother, make una not take her like priority. Yeah, God bless you, my brother, for being on this program. Odion, I appreciate you for being on this program with me. And also, Kevin, Oscar, I appreciate you for being on this program today. As we all know before now, una don't know the name of the program, and we write everything standby gidigba for there. So these are the characteristics that we all are trying to stop. You no fit believe say you go dey beat woman, you as a man. If you want beat woman, fine. But I'm not supporting any man to evolve in terms of doing such thing. You understand? No be wetin dey good, no be good idea, no be that one go solve your home for you. You understand? When you know say such thing wan comment, it's better make una two conclude to leave each other than una don born pikin. At least if una still born the pikin suppose be the person wey go bring joy to the house, to make peace reign for the house. You understand? So these things don't lead many things. It don't linger to many directions, to an extent that single mother can become occupation to many of them. You understand? But inside this same single mother, I still dey let us know today for this program, say many no bad to that direction. But now the situation where they find themselves, and how they find themselves for this situation, it is very critical. You understand? That is the reason why they find themselves for that direction today. But when they still kill many, because this program are all about truth. That is why many people who know me before now will say, I know they always support one side. That is me for you. They'll say, I will join this side, I will join this side. Say, they know they understand me. This is just me for you. If I support only one person and I leave the other truths, who can judge that truth? So we need to bring the both sides come out so that at the end we go use the both sides to do better thing. Today, many women don't get characters for the countryside. Sorry to say. I know say some women will still say men get character. Fine, men still not still get character. I'm not saying they are number one perfect or they are 100 over 100 perfect. You understand? Definitely, everybody, nobody for the standard word be 100 over 100 perfect. Nobody. Quote me anywhere. Categorically, I quoted it openly. Nobody is 100 over 100 perfect. You understand? And I want to also let us know one thing. There are characters we exhibit which we see it as normal. Aside of this, there is something we call nature, that you can never change nature. You understand? Any ass when say they no go fit quarrel, that ass no be ass and e no go fit stand well. I'm telling you openly today, e no get how romantic, how love, how smile wan be for any home. At least there must be a little thing that will bring misunderstanding, a little thing that they will, both of them will just kind of have one or two arguments on. You understand? But what matters is for the argument not to go viral. I appreciate you, my brother. Thanks very much for the like, for the sharing, and all. I appreciate you now sincerely. Yeah, I came out here. I appreciate you. Thanks very much. I appreciate you seriously. So these are the real facts of what we are passing through today. Sorry to say, we might not round up by 10:30 due to the time when we take come on live today, you understand? But the fact is, there are many things when they inside this single mother of a thing. Many evolve themselves on the wrong way because they run follow money. At the end, they don't know say not be so it's supposed to be. You understand? Many not be money they run follow. Na just their character, na their exhibiting character. You understand? Now waiting they just dey into na their character. You no fit change the guideline of their character. This is just the truth. When the man go talk this, they go talk another thing. You understand? And those kind of people, they always believe that whatever anything they are saying should be the conclusion for the man. You understand? Some say as the man get right, now so the woman get right. Yes, nobody is denying you for that. Nobody is denying you for that. As the man get right, now so the woman himself get right. But the fact is always know that there must be a leader in any occasion. Yeah, I appreciate you, Prince Lucky. I appreciate you, bro. You are highly welcome to this program today. Understand? There must be a leader in any occasion, anywhere. Sorry, I know they try bring Bible come into these issues. For inside the same Bible, cross-check, there is a leader. I just only put it that way. If you have millions of people, there must be a leader. Sorry for that inconvenience. There must be what? A leader. Everybody cannot be a leader. Everybody cannot be a leader. It's not because you are perfect that makes you be a leader. Money, my brother. Money, money, money. It's not because you are perfect that makes you be a leader. It's not because you know it all that makes you be a leader. You are choose to be a leader does not mean you are the Alpha and the Omega. But the fact is, single mothers, the character wey una dey exhibit is very very bad. You see a situation whereby woman go give you guideline of, ina saying te wan make be o, bro. Imagine the concombility. You understand? Woman go tell you today, say, man, he just seriously believe in you. He don't know whether any other thing they exist. When you cross check every word when come out for his mouth, so if you cross check every word when come out for that woman mouth, at the end you no go even fit use one say na truth. But it will make you believe, and at the end, another guideline dey. Why single mother no go exist for am at the end? And another thing wey kill many, because of the stupidity attitude wey they don already create, they don perform things wey they not suppose perform. They behave the way wey they not suppose behave. They behave the way wey they not suppose behave. At the end, when the man don begin dey warn, they talk, they no see as anything. When the man don already dey automatically lost interest of truth, and him mind don already dey go far, you come see say the woman mind now dey calm down, and he don dey go to the way wey be say the man don go far. Yeah, that is my bro. I appreciate you, bro, for being on this program today. Thanks very much, bro. You understand? So now, today they go lie, tomorrow another lie. And so the main particular thing when they take the lie, so, and if they lie, the lie go sweet. You get one Benin music wey say, "Oh, if he lie to resemble truth, they go believe." You understand? If he lie to go resemble truth, everybody go believe. But at the end, if you want catch them, they very simple. How to catch them is not the hard. We will still share the idea with you now when you want us to do. You understand? But not be waiting we will pass command for public domain. Is a one-on-one talk. You must catch them. There are many ways. We'll give you the guideline, we'll tell you the way to let them know that yes, this is the real fact and this is not the real fact. We dey know. You understand? Many go still remain single mother because na the feed where they want make them be forever. One, when their parents begin to pump and want to when their parents don't begin to tell them the way they will say follow up life and this fine. They don't say me your parents no advise you for how to follow life, but cross-check the way to follow when you dey before. No parents go want me a daughter or his son follow wrong way. Everybody want me they follow rightful way. But sometimes they deny you for the things that will give you joy in life, just because of the money they are paying from you. This is your real basic fact. And I'm not trying to say you should run away from responsibility, because responsibility is number one thing that you can never run away from. Anybody who say may run away from responsibility, sorry, you dey increase on, because now something will not get handy. That is responsibility for you. It not get handy, but you need to touch on small. Responsibility now something will be say if you dey earn 500 naira, you dey solve problem of 500 naira. The day when your money cross to 700 naira, the responsibility of 700 naira will come in. You understand? Then you go come see say this one don full ground, you never do one. Your mind not think about it before. That is one thing about responsibility. But to our single mothers, it's just like when benefits come, They want me everything dey with them. You understand? They don't know whether the man dey exist now. It don't become their pocket. And they go still dey demand from the man. Not be bad thing to ask man money before now. But when the one wey come arrive, na for una to make use of am. You go bend up, push am go ask. Tell me why your home no go advise you wrongly. I no say no answer your home. I no say no send money go your home. No misquote me. Listen to me very well and understand me carefully. I go drag am again the way you dey understand. Just like benefit come now. The benefit wey come, you and your husband dey house. Many things wey lead to this single mother wey people no know till today. Now they let una know so. You and your husband dey house. Pikin involve. Benefit dey come. When benefit come, maybe the man fit not put hope. Maybe the man fit put hope. If na that benefit be the sustain one una get at that particular time, definitely na for all of una wey dey. You go twist the man go one side, insult am, you go push the money go home. When una never solve the one wey una get, yeah, and una say una dey live together as love, as one family. You understand? Now you go still demand from the man make he bring come out. Even if the man get way for the packer, he go answer you. When the man no begin answer you, you bring problem come. Begin cause many chaos and awareness wey be say at the end you wan call police for am. Why? Because you wan make that benefit dey come you well. Me, you know, be like say if you want even send out, because even if you want send out go home, your mind they judge you. You dey hear that book for body seriously, because not wetin suppose happen. All this say I appreciate you all due to our time. We have used more than our time today. The way I have explained to you before now that we are going to use more than the time today due to we did not come on live on time. So for this reason, I believe we have to cut it off here. But remember, the single mother, we are still going to talk about it in many ways. But still on the issues, we don't know if we will be coming up in our next program with the single mother issues. Because we have many subjects to quickly talk about and many things to discuss on. So for this reason, we are running up this today at a particular line. But remember, this is Single Mother episode 3. So remember also that all videos have to last for just 1 month on Facebook. After there, you will see every video on YouTube. So please go to the YouTube and also join me to share the link on YouTube and also subscribe. Please do that for me, as I also have the joy to bring more to you. Sometimes you see that we rush our subject when we are on live due to the time we have just to make sure we pass out this subject. So please, let's try and understand that we are trying to make sure we build our homes. As I have earlier explained before now, and as I have earlier said, please, if you know, because I know say why I tell you this thing today. Many of us when they follow me, sometimes I fit talk the one way it go pay you. Because of that one, you say you don't want to follow her again. Let me tell you the truth. This is a program where we have to deliver the real truth. Most of the subject where I teach, you know me say I don't teach my side, I teach both my side. Because I have to pass at the subject so that we can make use of her. You understand? And don't also forget to drop your comment box. And I appreciate una always still drop una comment and una always still send their comment to me directly. So I appreciate una seriously. And we filter the comment we make use of the ones we can make use of, because we value every comment. So I thank una gidigba when una fit dey follow this program for today, and make una not fail to share. I appreciate una. Make una just share this program so that it will still reach many people hand. Understand? And I believe say una no go fail. Thank una very much, and make una not forget to subscribe for the YouTube channel. So, and as I have earlier said, the subject of today now Single Mother episode 3. So let's see how we do other things, and I will say goodbye for now. Goodbye to you all. Thanks very much. As we see you again next time.